How to edit text and pictures in Microsoft Word. Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step how to edit both text and pictures in Microsoft Word. Don't skip any part because if you do you might miss an important step and won't understand how the editing works. So, let's get started. Bold text first. Select the text you want to change, then click the bold button. Your text will instantly look thicker. Underline text. Select the text, click underline and choose between a thin or thick line. Italic style. Click italic to make your text slanted for emphasis. Highlight text. Use the highlight button to add a background color behind your text. Choose any color you like. Change text color. Click font color to make your text any color you want. You can also remove the color later. Align text. Use left, center, or right alignment to position your text exactly where you want it. Change font size. Select the text, then click the font size menu to make it bigger or smaller. Change font style. Click the font menu and pick any style you like. For example, I'm choosing Arial Black. Add bullets. Select your text, click bullets and choose any bullet design. Move pictures with text. Select your picture, then click the layout options button on the right. Choose tight or through so you can move the picture freely with your text. Picture position. Go to picture format, click position and choose in line with text or other options to control where the picture appears. Adjust brightness and contrast. Click corrections to make your picture lighter, darker or sharper. Remove picture background. Click remove background, then mark areas to remove to delete unwanted parts. Change picture color. Click color and apply any color tone to your image. Add artistic effects. Use artistic effects to give your picture a creative look. Apply picture styles. Go to picture styles and choose designs like oval frames or drop shadows. Change picture border. Click picture border to change the border color. Add picture effects. Use picture effects for glow, reflection or 3D effects. Resize picture. Adjust the width and height to make the picture bigger or smaller. Crop picture. Click crop to cut out unwanted areas. Drag the black handles, then press enter. Crop to shape. Click crop, then crop to shape and choose from fun shapes like circles or stars.